Good morning. Welcome to my first vlog. This is going to be interesting because we, you and me are now in nature. So early morning Biru called and asked me to join in the Pratinkol Island, a small island, a tiny island in the river Kasai, Kongsaboti. Actually Biru lived in that village, that village, and my village is beside this vegetation. Okay, so I am going to that village now, and let's see what happens. Stay tuned. So here we are. So Birupakha discovered a totally new island. This is our favorite birding spot, and Birupakha discovered this, and this is the Kasai river. Birupakha discovered a new island which is full of pratincoles, small and oriental pratincoles. Oriental pratincoles, different type of larks like Bengal bushlark, Indian bushlark, oriental skylark, terns and snipes. The island is mainly packed with pratincoles, and we are calling it the Pratinkol Island. So, but there is some huntings are going on there by local villagers, and Birupakha say about the factory.
Okay, so I accidentally discovered this small island, and I have seen some little boys are hunting on the birds there. So they are actually capturing the mother birds which are near their nesting sites. So I decided to protect those sites from those naughty boys actually. And so I tried convincing them not to kill those birds, and after that I decided to patrol this area for a few days regularly. So as like today we came in the early morning to check whether those birds are okay or not, and let's see what I can get.
We will patrol till noon.
Yeah.
Till noon. So let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go to the Pratinkol Island.
এখানে পাখি মারতে আসে লোক, আমরা এখানে আটকায়। আমাদের থেকে ওই সামান্য 1-2 বছরের বড়, মোটামুটি 4-5 জন আছে। এগুলোকে নষ্ট করে দেয়,
ডিমগুলোকে ভেঙে দেয় আর পাখিগুলোকে ধরে। ফাঁদ পেতে ধরে না?
ফাঁদ পাতে বলতে একটা দড়ি থাকে, সেই দড়িতে একটা পাথর হোক, দড়ি হোক আর কাঠ হোক ঠুকিয়ে দিবে, কারণ সেই বাঁধার মতন গিরা দিয়ে আর ডিমগুলোয় ধারে ধারে দিন দিবে। পাখিটা এসে বসবে, তারপরে পাখিটাকে এসে বসবে, ওর সুতাটা টানে দিবে, পাখিটার পায়ে লাগিয়ে যাবে, পাখিটা আর যেতে পারবে না। সেটা এসে একজন এসে ছুটে ধরবে, পাখিটা ছাড়াবে আর বাঁধিয়ে অন্য একটা খুঁটা বা পাথর বা ঘাস।
এক এক দিনে কত পাখি ধরে?
ধরে মোটামুটি 10, 12, 25, 30টা করে।
So here is the Pratinkol Island, and we are crossing the Kasai.
Here is the Pratinkol Island. Actually, we named it Pratinkol Island, and you can see a lot of small pratincoles and oriental pratincoles everywhere, just everywhere in this small part.
There is a bear. Here it's small pretincule here. There is a oriental skylark here. Oriental pretincule arrived. Just here.
See, we are surrounded by the oriental pretinsculus everywhere. This is the field where they breed and stay for some time. And we have just spotted blackwing stilt. The interesting part is those blackwing stilt are easily winter migrant, but this is summer season. So this is the month of May. I don't know what they're doing here. Maybe they become resident probably. So we are waiting to check whether they have also laid some eggs here or not. So there you can see the oriental pretincule is protecting its nest from the grazing cattle. It's just sit top on its eggs and the cattle wedges around its nest.
So the blackwing still is breeding here. And winter migrant is breeding here in the summer months. It's quite fascinating, and probably this is the first breeding record of blackwing still in here. Today's patrolling completed. Now the temperature is above 40 degree. Now time to go home, and the cyclone Amphan is coming, and if it rained very much, the total island will be flooded, and only nature knows what will be the fate of these chicks' eggs. See you after Amphan. So, see you in the next vlog.